Alright guys, so we're doing our first beach day here at Salinas Beach. We have the family here. Say what's up, Gene. Hello. So we got an umbrella and a couple chairs here. It was like $5. And then there's people coming by to offer to serve food and drinks from a restaurant that's nearby, which we ordered like some food and a juice for Olivia. And then we're gonna probably just eat, drink, hang out, chill at the beach, get into the water. This will be Jen's first time getting into the ocean. So this will be interesting to see how he takes to it. He's been in a pool quite a few times, took swim lessons. The first time he didn't like it, but after that he kind of got accustomed to it. So it'll be kind of interesting to see how he'll act inside the ocean. One thing to note, people are constantly coming by to sell things, whether it's clothes, purses, jewelry, food, whatever. See, gracias. Thank you. Gracias. So yeah, just be mindful of that. It's definitely not like someplace peaceful where you can sit back and relax, because it's not like a private beach or anything like that. But yeah, check it out. So you can see the beach is pretty crowded. It's about noon on a Sunday and everyone's out, a lot of families out. And it's perfect because the sun's not out too much. You can see it's a little cloudy, but it's still warm enough to get into the water. And let's see how cold it is. That's a little cold. Woo! A bit more colder than I thought, but it feels good. Yeah, so we plan on just hanging out here all day, or for a couple hours, I guess. And just enjoying the beach, finally. All right, so me and Jen are going into this water. Some nice waves coming in. So we'll see if we're gonna catch a nice big one. Check it out. Woo! Oh, baby Jen. You like it? So cold. Wow, the sand is really, it's like quicksand. You can sink in, like most of my foot is all the way underneath the sand, both of them. Like it gets trapped underneath. So it's like it can easily, can catch you off guard. And it gets deep pretty early, it seems. I'm like only 6 or 10 feet from the shore. And it's already up to my stomach already. So it seems like different places you walk, the sand just drops. So I don't want to go too far out with Jen, but it feels good. Oh no, Jen. was fun. Yeah. The food finally came. We have here some fried beef with patacones and roast. Roast. Rice. We have some soup. There's also some chicken, like chicken cutlets with some rice and tostones. And also we have some fried shrimp and rice. So we're gonna dig into this and let you know how it is. Looks like Jen's enjoying his meal. Whatever he can get his hands on. So the food wasn't too bad, a little salty as you can expect, but other than that, I mean, wasn't that bad for these 3 meals and like a full container here of passion fruit juice. It was about $34. So considering like the guy comes and delivers it from a restaurant down the block, and you know, the labor and all that and the cost for the food, it's not too bad. Couldn't get anything at this price like in Cancun or any other like more famous beach probably. So yeah, not too bad. And right now we're just gonna just enjoy this nice ocean view. Yeah, this is gonna be a really relaxing day, because come tomorrow Monday, then we're back, or I'm back to work. So we're thinking maybe next weekend that we might go to Montanita, which is about an hour and a half away by car. It's another famous beach town there. More of a younger crowd, like a lot of nightclubs I think is there, nightlife. They have like a lot of good restaurants I've heard, nice beaches. So I think we might also like check that area out as well if we feel up to it. If not, then we'll just hang around locally and just find some new restaurants to go to. Maybe come back to the beach. We'll definitely come back to the beach and just enjoy what we have just around our apartment, because we have plenty to do. So yeah, I guess we have to see.